Hey guys, if you like The Nightmare Before Christmas and the Dollar Tree, I have the project for you, so let's get started. What you're going to need is this Pick Your Poison sign from the Dollar Tree. We're going to take apart all the little pieces and we're going to have 3 potions to work with. You're going to also print out these labels that I have on my blog at michellespartyplanet.com. And once you have these things taken apart, what we're going to do is get some Mod Podge. We're going to do half Mod Podge, half water, and we're going to dip a paper towel into the mixture and cover the front of the potion bottle with that and let it dry. Once it's dried, what we're going to do is add some paint. You just layer some paint on there. I started with white and then I added some black and some gray just to add some texture so they look like Sally's potion bottles from the movie. So you're just going to keep doing that, and then once you have that dried, you're going to add some Mod Podge to attach the label and then cover it with some more Mod Podge and then just let it dry in between coats. The next step is just to add some more black paint all around the edge. And once you're done with that one, you're going to move on to the next shape and you're going to add more paint and the label with the Mod Podge. And don't forget to add the definition with the extra paint on the edges and also around the label. And as you can see, once you're done, you'll have more of a 3D effect. That paper towel adds a little definition to the project and looks great on your tiered tray. So I hope you like this project. Hope you try it out. Please like and follow for more.